In traditional Chinese medicine, we learn that when we keep our stomach healthy, that is going to benefit our kidneys and bladder down the line. We are also taught that the emotions of deep frustration or irritation is a sign from the liver needing some attention. And when we struggle with symptoms of insomnia, that is the heart from the fire element talking to us, calling us to be quiet, go within. I'm going to be sharing these and other aspects of the 5 elements of TCM in a free online workshop, which we're going to be having on Zoom on Thursday, the 10th of April, 7 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. South African time, which is UK 5 p.m. and East Coast 1 p.m. If you'd like to join, please email or WhatsApp me and I will then send you the Zoom link. And we're also going to be having some fun with Feng Shui. Everything at the end of the day is frequency. So we're going to be looking at the frequency of various colors, sounds, shapes, directions, and how we can apply this for our physical well-being as well as our environment. I look forward to seeing you there.